Hello guys and gals, me Alex, and welcome to another Scam Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. I know, it's been a little while, been on a little break, but ladies and gentlemen, we're back. And we're back with the scam that probably is the most scummiest, that especially YouTube, that hasn't really done anything about it. Let's just get right into it. So over here we have a website that is promoted by other YouTubers. If you've seen in some of my previous videos that I've talked about the whole YouTube promoting scams sort of situation, and YouTube not taking real actual responsibility for the whole thing, the best way to put it. So over here, there's been a few videos that have been surfacing that have saying that, hey, there's this Cash App. Now, just to cover my ass kind of sake, I don't want to show these videos just for the sheer sake that they're claiming these. Actually, you know what? I can't show. I probably won't show the video, but I will show you that there are videos that's the lads and lassies out there that think that they're actually showing these sort of things. So over here we have a bunch of videos that claim that get free money, ladies and gentlemen. This definitely works. It doesn't, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. So essentially what these YouTubers, or these little fucking scam artists, I like to call them, essentially are being paid off by a so-called third-party site or whoever to promote this app. Or sorry, this website that essentially has claims that can make you free money. So the best way to put it, ladies and gentlemen, just for any of you out there that think this is real or there's a possibility this could be real, I'm just gonna have to just give you guys the cold truth and reality of it. Unfortunately, we live in a day in society where nothing is fucking free, okay? You don't get money for free. Money doesn't just end up magically showing up in your bank account for free. You have to work for it. You have to do something in order for you to obtain that reward. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, after that little rant was over, obviously this app, or Cash App money generator over here, claims that it can make all my money wishes come true. So let's see how far we can get. So over here, first of all, you can see the live stats, which a bunch of these random ass people that you know what's just funny about these Cash Apps? Let's be realistic here. You like how they're putting out saying 140. They're only taking small increments, which is kind of weird. Wouldn't you, of any sort of fashion, let's think of a logical scenario here. If I had the opportunity to generate as much money as I can, don't you think I would have done like $1 trillion at this point if it can magically show up in my bank account? Which is kind of weird, because how is this actually dropping money into my bank account? You can't drop money into my email. So let's magically see where this takes us. So enter your Cash App email or user ID. Oh, so it ties into your Cash App. Okay, cool. So in other words, it's fishing for your information. So let's do a start generator. All right, for instance, let's enter your Cash App. So I'm just gonna put something out there random. Let's say butt poo 6969. Yeah, why not, right? What's the maximum I can go up? Only 300? Okay, we'll see how that works. So we have this cool animation that says it's processing, finding our account, fetching our data, getting variables. Please don't try to sound all technical and philosophical. Please don't do that. Posting data, username, it checks out apparently. Please verify. So, God, what really kills me about all this, ladies and gentlemen, I'm probably just gonna go on a limb here. I haven't tested this out yet personally, but I'm just gonna go on a limb here. If I click on verify now, there's gonna be two options that are gonna happen. One is gonna make me sign up for some stupid credit card or some kind of website I need to sign up for, or an account I need to sign up for, or it's just going to be fishing for my information. One of the two, they pretty much fall hand in hand, but let's go right into it. So I'm going to click on it and let's see. Locked. What's this mean? Uh-oh. Get a $100 Pizza Hut gift card. Enter for a chance to win an iPhone X. Oh, no. Join the community today. Get a $100 gift card, or a Google Play card, or a Panda Express. Waiting for you to complete your offer. So obviously it's fishing for fucking information or trying to have you sign up. So they are having free free revenue pushed towards them. So let's go back and check out this this top tier shit page that I'm calling this page out for all the garbage that it's built on for. And what really gets me is look how the Cash App money generator font is written in. Does that remind you of something? I'll give you a hint. It has to rhyme with Fortnite. Yeah, this font is a definite Fortnite definitely Fortnite written all over it. But hey, what do I fucking know, right? It's Fortnite all day, every day. But let's check out this information section of it. Copyright, all trademark services, marks, trades, trade names, trade dress, product names, and logos appear on the site are property of the respective owners of Cash App. So they're genuinely covering their own ass. Oh no, they're basically saying like, hey, this is our website. This is our website only. If I click on info, no, there's no info given aside from this alone. So this is probably the most illegitimate site I've ever come across in all the times I've ever seen these kind of things come up. I've come across a few of these in the past, but nothing as sporadic as this, ladies and gentlemen. Which is kind of funny because you have Twisted Styly only 104, which is wild because you would think it's like, what is it? The cap is only at 300. I thought this was at least at like 500. You would think it was at least at 500, but hey, what do I fucking know? At least I'm not the one being scammed. So what does this all tell us today, ladies and gentlemen? This website doesn't really offer anything informational aside from just being a scam in general. So what does this mean for us? What are we going to learn today? How are we going to avoid this? When you see something saying free money, free hack, free no legit 100%, you know, the super clickbaity kind of videos, yeah, you probably should stray away from those. Look, I'm not saying, I should probably rephrase that. When you see any sort of fashion of how to make free money, there's no way you're gonna actually, there's no legitimacy to it. There's no proof behind the proof in the pudding, let's put it that way. So the best way to put it is, as looking at this website, there is no information given about it. There's no legitimacy. Obviously, I just typed in a random ass username, and no, that is not a real Cash App name, unless somebody else has that username for fuck all reason. 100% doubt it, but there's no way this website should be taken down. And the worst part is YouTube is promoting this sort of thing, and with ad revenue backed up onto it. But hey, you know, ladies and gentlemen, we live in a day of society where scams are just in everybody's inbox, YouTube algorithm. It's really, really scummish. And I mean, remember when this whole situation came up when the Fortnite V-Bucks came out? That whole situation, it's pretty much the same thing with a resurfaced skin on it. I don't understand how you can allow these websites to just come out and just purposely scam people, allow people to harm themselves in the process of this. And even if you do know this is a scam, even if you know that this is not legit in any sort of fashion, which is good, at least you guys know that. The problem is there are kids out there are other people that don't know this, and there's no reason to like bash on people about it. People literally don't know any difference between this. If you're desperate for money, you'll probably go to any extents to get it. This being one of them, this isn't a way to go about yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, the best way to earn money in today's society, in today's day and age, get a job. Work for your money honestly. Work for your money in a better fashion. Like that's the only way you're gonna legitimately get money in the first place. Look, it sucks to see that this shit's still out there, but I do my best to at least look out for you guys. I want to at least notify you guys about these things. I don't give a fuck if these videos go viral or not. The point is, I just want to educate you guys on these sort of things. These things aren't legit. These things are just fishing for information, looking for other ways to scam you in in some other fashion or so on and so forth. The worst part about all of this, ladies and gentlemen, and I know I'm just like a broken record box at this point. Somebody out there is probably falling for this, and the best thing you can do is just teach other people about these sort of things. It's just having the knowledge behind these sort of things you'll be amazed at how far you can maybe save somebody's life, maybe, you know, save them from making a dumb decision. And people out there will make dumb decisions. We're all human. We all fuck up here and there. Some people more desperate than others, and seeing this sort of situation unfold, it's it really is scummish and sad, but hey, what are you gonna do? You have to. The best thing you can do is notify someone out there, ladies and gentlemen, and report stuff like this. When you see these type of videos and they look very illegitimate, the worst part is with most of these videos, they're disabling the comment section or just leaving good comments in there. They'll filter out these comments where they look as legit as possible. But unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to go any too further onto this. The best way to keep yourself safe: earn your money honestly. Don't fall for Cash App scams. Essentially, if you're gonna make free money, there's no legitimate way unless you have an allowance from your parents or somebody that gives you money for free, without any consequence. But ladies and gentlemen, in a real life scenario, there's this thing called getting a job. So hopefully y'all will go out there and do the right thing for the most part, and hopefully you teach somebody else out there. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end it off here. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike it if you disliked it. Please be safe out there. Take care. Be honest with yourselves. Be honest with others, and earn your money honestly. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care and have a great day.